Once upon a time, in a lush, green forest, there lived a little Oriole named Oscar. Oscar was a vibrant, cheerful bird, with a yellow body and a black and orange striped tail. Every day, Oscar would fly to the Sunflower Meadow to sing his sweet songs. The sunflowers loved his music and swayed gently in the breeze as he sang. One sunny morning, Oscar noticed something unusual. A sunflower, taller and more beautiful than any he had ever seen, had sprouted in the meadow. It towered above the others, its golden petals shimmering in the sunlight. Intrigued, Oscar flew closer to the magnificent sunflower. He landed on a branch above it and began to sing his sweetest song. The sunflower swayed gracefully, as if dancing to Oscar's tune. The other sunflowers were jealous of the attention Oscar was giving to the tall sunflower. They whispered among themselves, "Why does he always choose the most beautiful one? We're just as lovely as she is." Oscar, hearing their whispers, flew down to the group of sunflowers. "Dear friends," he said, "each of you is unique and beautiful in your own way. It's not about who is the most beautiful, but about sharing joy and making each other happy." The sunflowers felt ashamed and apologized to Oscar. From that day forward, they worked together to make the Sunflower Meadow a more beautiful place for everyone. Oscar continued to sing for the sunflowers every day, reminding them that every sunflower was special and had something unique to offer. And the sunflowers, in return, bloomed even brighter, spreading their golden petals wide to welcome each new day. As the sun set, Oscar would fly back home, his heart filled with joy, knowing he had made a difference in the lives of his friends. The end.